I'm going to pour the bottom base with the green, and not fill it all the way up to the top because we are going to add some white. Seems to be thickening up. Seems to be thickening up a little bit, so I better hurry. Get that chunk out. Okay, let's get those bubbles out. Get that little piece out there. There we go. Come and let it set up just a little bit, and then I'm going to do a thin layer of white. Okay, it has a slight film, so we're going to go ahead and pour our white. Okay. Now to get a little bit of a swirl, I'm going to take and just pull the white through. Okay, we'll let this set for just a little bit and then come back, and we are going to add our embeds. How much time we got on there? 18. Okay. I went ahead and moved my mold a little bit because I want to be able to get my embeds on straight. So what I'm going to do is take and just drizzle a little bit of white so they have something to stick to. I took and sprayed them all, but it doesn't hurt to spray them again. Just a teeny bit up at the top. Get a little salt in there. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and spritz it. Maybe I'll add glitter at the end. A few of these might come off if they're not stuck to the melt and pour, but that's okay. Okay, we'll do our last one. That one's got some bubble in it. Clean that white off when I'm done. Okay, it's a good. Might add a little bit of glitter. I took and I unmolded our Tipsy Margarita soap. They turned out okay. So hot here today, I think someone could use a margarita. I had used little margarita glass embeds, and then these little speckles here, I took Himalayan pink salt, and I colored them with the same color mica that I used on the bottom of the bars. I don't know if you can see them good or not. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.